For your tomorrow's menu, we suggest you prepare pull-apart cheese bread as an appetizer. In a pot over medium heat, add 1½ cups of milk, salt, and sugar. Break the yeast with your hand and add it to the pot and mix with a wire whisk. In a bowl, add the flour and salt. When the milk becomes warm, remove it from the heat. Add the milk to the melted yeast and mix with a spoon until the ingredients have combined. Keep kneading the dough by hand until it becomes smooth. Cover the bowl with a kitchen towel and let it rise for 30 minutes in a warm place. Cut the dried tomatoes into pieces and put them in a bowl. Add the cheese and press it with a fork. Next, add the basil and use the fork to mix the filling. Sprinkle some flour on the table and knead the dough by hand. Cut it into 8 equal pieces. With each piece, form a ball and roll it until it becomes 4 inches thick. On the first dough, spread some of the filling. Fold it in half and press the edges until they stick together. Repeat the process with all the dough balls and form half moons. In a rectangular baking pan with measurements 13 by 9 by 2 inches, add the oil and the first half moon. With a brush, spread the rest of the milk over the dough. Next to the first half moon, add the second one and spread some milk over it. Repeat the same process with the rest of the half moons. Spread the grated parmesan over the dough and put the pan in the oven. Bake for 30 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit and remove the pan from the oven. Let the bread cool and remove it from the pan and pull apart 2 pieces. Place the bread and the pieces on a serving plate. For preparing this appetizer, we needed around 60 minutes, without counting the necessary time for the dough to rise. Bon appetit!